Hey there in the teaching world, I'm just going to show you real quickly how I do screencasting with an iPad, one of my favorite applications for the iPad, and a very inexpensive stylus. I do this a lot just to annotate notes for my students, especially in a time of remote learning. So I'll show you how it works. Here's the home screen of my iPad. I'm actually doing a screen recording right now. The only thing you really need to know how to do is swipe down from the upper right if you have the latest operating system and you see that flashing red dot. That shows that a screencast is currently happening. I'm recording my screen live. Importantly, if you press and hold, you'll see the audio options. You want to make sure some kind of microphone is added if you want to record audio with this at the same time. It's not recording me, but it's recording my voice, and then it's just videoing whatever's on my screen. You press that icon, it gives you a short countdown, starts recording everything that's on your screen. So that's how you record anything that's on your iPad. Maybe you want to show an Atoms in Motion app, for example, which just lets you bounce particles around. It's useful to do things like this if you want to talk about particles in chemistry. Or maybe you want to actually just annotate notes, and that's what I use the GoodNotes app for quite a bit. In fact, this opening title is in the GoodNotes app. I use this primarily for uploading PDFs, so I could have a blank PDF, or I could have one that I've just borrowed from various sources. This is an old AP chemistry question. And I can annotate it by writing things on this in terms of these fulminic acid isomers of HCNO formula and talk about the fact that these are actually not isomers. These are resonance contributors of one another. If this was an orgo class, I would show curved arrows for how the oxygen donates a pair of electrons and then the pi bond goes onto the carbon, and we'd put them in brackets. So it's nice to annotate things in real time that students can look at a later point. When you've done what you want to do, you can simply hit that red dot in the upper right corner. You'll notice in the upper right corner of your screen is a red icon. That means it's currently recording. So you definitely want to see that red dot way up there. And then you can upload this to a YouTube app, which I happen to have. There's the YouTube icon in the lower right, or any other video editing software if you want to make adjustments to it. I typically try to just upload them as is, because it's fast that way, but that's how you make a quick screencast using just a cheap stylus, my favorite application for teaching, and almost any iPad will do. Thanks for watching.